The automotive world is buzzing with excitement as Chevrolet prepares to unleash one of its most anticipated models, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup. This isn't just another truck, it's a bold blend of history and modern engineering. Inspired by the legendary post-war Chevy 3100 that first rolled off production lines in the late 1940s, the 2026 revival is both a nostalgic tribute and a futuristic reimagining. Unlike most pickups that simply chase raw power or utility, the new 3100 is positioned as a lifestyle vehicle, an icon for collectors, car enthusiasts, and everyday drivers who want to own a piece of American heritage refined with 21st century technology. In a market crowded with competitors like the Ford F-150 Lightning, GMC Sierra EV, and Rivian R1T, the Chevrolet 3100 carves out a unique identity by fusing vintage charm with advanced innovation. It's not just a truck. It's an experience that blends emotion, practicality, and timeless design. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 pickup commands attention. The exterior design is a masterclass in blending old-school curves with futuristic sophistication. Chevrolet designers worked tirelessly to capture the rounded fenders, bold chrome grille, and sculpted hood lines reminiscent of the classic 3100. But they've reinterpreted them with sharper detailing and aerodynamic finesse. The body is muscular yet elegant, giving it a stance that is both nostalgic and cutting-edge. Measuring slightly longer than the original classic model, the truck now offers better proportions for modern utility while still carrying the soul of its ancestor. Lighting technology is where things truly shine, literally. The 3100 comes with retro-inspired round LED headlights paired with sleek daytime running strips, while the taillights echo vintage cues but with modern OLED brilliance. Wheel options range from 18-inch retro-style chrome alloys to 22-inch modern blacked-out sport wheels, ensuring both purists and trendsetters find something that resonates. Customers will also be spoiled for choice with paint finishes that range from classic hues like forest green, cherry red, and sky blue, to premium metallics and matte finishes tailored for modern tastes. Every line and curve of the truck seems crafted to evoke nostalgia while still turning heads in 2026 city streets. Step inside, and the interior is where the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 truly dazzles. Chevrolet has crafted a cabin that feels like a luxurious lounge fused with smart technology. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with hand-stitched detailing, available in color palettes that honor the original 3100 but infused with modern elegance. Think saddle brown, jet black, and cream beige combinations. Buyers will also find genuine wood trim accents on the dashboard, paired with brushed aluminum touches to maintain that heritage feel. Space has been optimized to provide both driver and passengers with exceptional comfort, with wider seating and extra legroom compared to other mid-size pickups. The infotainment system is anchored by a massive 15-inch floating touchscreen that integrates Chevrolet's latest MyLink interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto voice assistant integration, and even over-the-air software updates. Behind the wheel, a fully digital 12-inch driver cluster offers customizable gauges that can switch between vintage-inspired layouts and futuristic displays. The cabin is further enhanced by a premium Bose surround sound system, wireless charging pads, customizable ambient lighting, and even ventilated and massaging front seats. It's not just a truck interior. It's a luxury cocoon that makes every journey enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 doesn't disappoint. Chevrolet offers multiple engine configurations to suit different types of buyers. The base model is expected to feature a turbocharged 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 315 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, perfect for those who want efficiency without compromising performance. The mid-tier variant houses a robust 5.3-liter V8, pushing out 420 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque, delivering classic truck power for enthusiasts. For those who crave cutting-edge performance, a high-output 6.2-liter V8 and an all-electric version with over 600 horsepower are rumored to headline the lineup. Acceleration from 0-100 km/h varies depending on the variant, with the electric version expected to achieve it in under 4.5 seconds, putting it in sports car territory. Handling is remarkably refined thanks to adaptive suspension, precise steering, and multiple drive modes tailored for city cruising, highway driving, and off-road adventures. Transmission options include a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic for gas engines and a single-speed direct drive for the EV variant. Despite its power, fuel efficiency has been improved through cylinder deactivation technology, lightweight materials, and advanced aerodynamics, making it one of the most balanced performers in its class. Technology plays a pivotal role in defining the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 as a truck of the future. The connectivity suite is world-class, offering 5G-enabled in-car Wi-Fi, cloud-based navigation, and real-time traffic updates. Augmented reality head-up display projects essential information directly onto the windshield, while a smart trailer assist system makes towing effortless. Over-the-air updates ensure the truck remains future-ready with continuous software improvements. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new semi-autonomous driving mode that allows hands-free highway cruising. For the tech-savvy generation, the 3100 even supports smart home integration, allowing owners to control home devices directly from the truck's infotainment system. Safety has been engineered to the highest standards. The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is equipped with a reinforced body structure using high-strength steel and aluminum to maximize crash protection while keeping weight down. Standard safety features include multiple airbags, advanced ABS with electronic brake force distribution, stability control, and traction management systems. The truck also features 360-degree cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Preliminary crash test results suggest the truck will score top ratings with both the NHTSA and Euro NCAP, further boosting buyer confidence. When it comes to variants, Chevrolet has lined up a versatile range for different buyers. The base workhorse trim focuses on practicality with durable interiors, simple infotainment, and a lower entry price, expected around $35,000 in the U.S. The Heritage Edition is the sweet spot, blending vintage-inspired styling cues with modern luxury, priced around $55,000. For performance lovers, the Sport RS trim comes loaded with the V8 engine, sport suspension, and aggressive aesthetics, likely around $75,000. At the top of the line sits the 3100 EV Premier, the flagship electric model expected to cross the $90,000 mark but delivering cutting-edge performance and technology. In global markets like Europe and the Middle East, prices will scale higher due to import taxes and luxury positioning, while in Asia, localized production may bring slightly more affordable variants. Against rivals, the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 holds its ground with ease. The Ford F-150 Lightning offers strong electric performance, but it lacks the vintage-inspired styling that makes the Chevy stand out. The Rivian R1T is highly advanced and off-road capable, but its starting price is higher, and it doesn't carry the same emotional heritage appeal. The GMC Sierra EV shares DNA with the Chevy, but it targets a more luxury-focused demographic. In short, the Chevrolet 3100 combines heritage, affordability, and performance in a way few others can match. Like any vehicle, the 3100 has its pros and cons. On the plus side, it offers iconic styling, powerful engine choices, luxury-level interiors, advanced safety, and versatile trims that cater to different buyers. On the downside, higher trims may be expensive, and the EV variant may face limited charging infrastructure in some markets. Still, the balance between design, performance, and heritage firmly outweighs the drawbacks. The target audience for the 2026 Chevrolet 3100 is diverse. Collectors will flock to it for its nostalgic design, while young professionals will see it as a status symbol that blends retro cool with modern tech. Families will appreciate its safety, comfort, and practicality, and adventure seekers will embrace its power and off-road ability. Globally, the truck is drawing attention from buyers in North America, Europe, and the Middle East, where the appeal of owning a reimagined American icon is particularly strong. In conclusion, The 2026 Chevrolet 3100 vintage pickup isn't just another addition to the crowded truck market. It's a revolution. It bridges the gap between history and modernity, offering buyers a vehicle that is stylish, technologically advanced, and emotionally resonant. Whether you're drawn by its breathtaking design, luxurious interior, heart-thumping performance, or advanced safety, this truck delivers on every front. In a world where most vehicles chase trends, the Chevrolet 3100 sets one by honoring its past while boldly driving into the future. For enthusiasts, collectors, and everyday drivers alike, this pickup is more than just transportation. It's a legend reborn.